Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so we're not going to waste much time. Let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So you go ahead and log into your Simple account. You can do that on the online platform, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app. So just go ahead and log into your Simple account, and be sure that you're using the correct login credentials. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to log into your account. So just log into your account, and then when you're logged in, you're going to click on the account button that's in the top navigation bar. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the page. That's the online web page. And once you clicked on account, you just want to select security from the drop down menu, and this option is usually listed under the account section. So go ahead and click on security, and then you're going to click on two-factor authentication. So under security, you're going to find two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click on that. And next, you're going to choose an authentication method. So you can use SMS, or you could choose to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticate or Audi. So just go ahead and choose which one you want to go with. SMS authentication sends a verification code to your phone, while an authenticator app uses a third-party app to generate a verification code. So go ahead and choose the one that suits you best. And once you've received the verification code, go ahead and enter the code that's sent to your phone, or if you use the app, the one that's generated by the app, and make sure you enter the correct code to complete the setup. Lastly, just going to confirm the setup by clicking enable, and this will activate two-factor authentication for your Simple accounts. That's pretty much it on how to enable two-factor authentication on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.